Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Cough drops can quietly harm your teeth. Many contain sugar or acids that wear down enamel, causing cavities and sensitivity. Even sugar-free options may have acids that weaken your teeth. To protect your smile, check labels and limit how often you use them. Frequent use can damage teeth without any pain or warning.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.